Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial how to give a glow effect in your photo. Simple way to transfer your image to this image to give your photo perfect glowing effect. So make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. You can download this image from pixels.com for free. So first of all, crop your image as you want, and then select quick selection tools and select your subject. If you guys have Photoshop 2020, so you can see these options. Select subject, then Photoshop automatically select your subject, then click on select and mask, and then follow my steps. And then apply in your background exposure effect to make your background darker. And then make an empty layer, and then select your foreground color to black and hold Alt and press the delete button to fill your empty layer to black, and then create empty layer again, hold Alt button and click to clip in mask, and then apply a gradient map. Follow my steps. Then set your black layer to screen, and also clip in mask your gradient effect, and then select your brush tool and set your foreground color to white. Then follow my steps. Hold shift and select 3 layers and Ctrl G to group, then Ctrl J to duplicate. Then open your copy group and create a new empty layer, then delete the layer 2. Then again take your brush tool and set your opacity as you want, then follow my steps. apply to your subject color balance. Then import your next image, Fire Sparkles. You can download this image on Google for free. Resize it well, then change the blending mode to screen. Once you have done, create a negative mask. Hold Alt and click on the mask to create a negative mask. Then select your brush, then set your foreground color to white, then follow my steps. Then apply a little Gaussian blur to your background. Then apply your last image, Fire PNG. You can also download this image from Google for free. Then click Shift Ctrl Alt E, merge all the layer, then apply a camera raw filter. So guys, this was today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.